Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to add a new profile in your Prime account. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. On the nav bar on the top in the rightmost section, you will find your profile picture along with your name. Simply hover over it and something like this will open up. Well, right here, you can see something like Add New in the Profiles tab. Simply click on it and something like this will open up. Simply enter your profile name from right here, and do note that you can add your profile picture by clicking in this change button here as well. I'm simply gonna enter my profile name right here, and do note that you have the option to make this profile into a kid's account. Well, we don't want to do that, so let's simply hit on Save Changes. And guys, that's it. That's how you add a profile in your Prime account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.